Hello everyone. I wanted to make another video of this place. It's called Valley of the Fires. It's a recreation area in the middle of New Mexico. It's a BLM run land, and the sites are real cheap. If you have an American Beautiful Pass, it's half price. So I stayed there 2 nights. I had an electric site, electric water, and they have restrooms and hot showers there. And mine was like $14 a night or something like that. I think it was less than that, but I stayed 2 nights. Anyway, it's a beautiful place. I wanted to show you another video and some different views of it. I do have a couple of videos out already of this place, but not with these views. This is looking toward the west, southwest, I believe, and it shows the main camping sites. And it's up on this ledge up here, and over to the right is the lava field. All the black area that you see is the lava field. This place was built right on top of an old lava field from thousands of years ago. And the mountains are way back there. I think it's like 57 miles long, if I'm not mistaken. And this is where the lava has flown down in the valley, and I think they called it Malpai or something like that, Valley of Fire, which means Badlands, I believe, in Spanish. I'm not 100% sure on that, but yeah, they call it Malpai, Valley of the Fires. This is looking kind of west, and it shows you where the main campgrounds are, and the shower room. And you can see over there the walkway that lets you walk down into the lava field. And that's Highway 380, I believe, and that's aimed right towards Carrizozo, a small town that has just about everything you need. You know, they've got some stores there, grocery stores, restaurants, even pizza place. So, yeah, it's pretty neat. And I think that I believe that this place is a hidden gem because not a lot of people know about it because it's not on a main road, you know. It's not off of I-40 or I-10 or something like that. So, yeah. We'll tell you about it. We made it to the campsite, and it is awesome. Look at this. Look at this overlook. There you see the lava field and stuff down below us. Awesome, isn't it? And then all around there's like mountains and stuff. Valley of Fires near Carrizozo, New Mexico. We're at campsite 3. There's 2 and 1's beyond that. Here's campsite 4. And then the lava walkthrough is next to that. And some people have said, don't book site 5 because you'll be right next to the walkway, and everybody goes that way. But check it out for yourself, though. Beautiful. And that's the walkway down there. It's handicap accessible also. Awesome, man. This is awesome. Waiting on the sun. Should be spectacular. New morning, a new sun. I went up and warm everything up. There's the town of Carrizozo, right before those mountains, those snow-capped peaks over there. And you continue going this way and it ends up going west. I think it goes through the valley there and the road heads down to Alamogordo, which we'll be headed toward next. Beautiful stuff. Even though we're in the higher altitude, there's a lot of this cactus. It's the big ones. I don't know what kind you call it. You guys probably know more than I do about it. See? The winds finally did come when I was down there walking around the nature trail through the lava flow, and it was something else. I did mute these clips here, but I wanted to show you some of the stuff out there. Valley of Fires recreation area near Carrizozo, New Mexico. It's off the beaten path, but you know what? You'll enjoy it. I did. So I know you will too. Check it out. Thanks everyone. Bye-bye.